Well, I'm with Jan McNeelan today, and Jan, even though it's middle of October, there's still some things we need to be looking at, isn't it?
Plenty of things.
Definitely. So what do you got?
Well, I really enjoy growing Christmas cactus. I've got about 3 colors, and I don't know variety names of anything, but at this time of year, even though it seems like if you're going to bring it in the house, you should, but I keep mine out as long as I can because these new buds are all over it, and the warmer it gets, it's going to bloom sooner than I want it to. So I leave it out as long as I can until there's like a super hard frost or something, and then I bring it in.
All right, good idea.
Yeah, and I've done a lot of starts. I've got a whole flat of starts over there.
How prolific.
Yeah, and the other thing is that, and you guys, everybody that watches this show knows that every fall I take all the leaves that are falling and rake them into the pots that are all lined up on the south side of the house, and they winter over really well. Right now, even in October, where we get usually some leaves, we don't have very many yet.
No, it's still early.
Yeah, it is.
But good insulator, so really keep them. Don't just put them into the compost or send them to the city, because they're really good to have.
Right. The other thing is, it hasn't happened yet, but it will between now, November, December, January. You'll see some bulbs coming up. And the bulb itself, yes, some of the leaves come up, but the flower itself is still in the ground. And so even if it snows and they get coated in ice, they're still fine.
Are they smart?
Yeah, they're smarter than we are, for sure. And it's also, if you've got a bunch of bulbs now, get them in the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, get them in the ground.
Perfect.
And enjoy. Try not to buy too many at once like I've done in the past.
No, that's hard.
Right. Well, the other thing I wanted to mention, because of COVID, a lot of Master Gardener classes have been either online or canceled completely or whatever. So if you're interested in the Master Gardener program, I think the classes will begin again in most counties, or some anyway. So go online for either, if it's Washington State, fine, you can go to your county extension, or to OSU Master Gardener page and click on your county and see what they're doing if you're interested. I know that in the Metro Portland area, they're taking a form, you fill it out, and then when they figure it out, I guess it's in November, they're going to call you.
So get your name in.
Right.
Really important, because you want to be on that list.
And I'm not sure that's the process for every county. That's why you just need to click on yours.
Do some research.
Yeah.
All right, and what else?
The other thing is just that it's really important if you've got some diseased plants, insect-ridden plants, whatever, to discard them and get them. Don't put them in the compost. Put them in your compost bin or garbage can or whatever that goes away from your property.
Yeah, and don't start another problem for next year.
No, because it certainly can.
Yeah,
certainly can.
Yeah. And anything else?
Well, I hear I'm in the greenhouse with a lot of open fertilizers. So if you have those, make sure they're labeled and put them in maybe another Ziploc or something, but make sure you know what they are and keep them dry for the winter.
Well, you know, Jan always has a wealth of knowledge for us every month. So for more information, please go to our website, or you can click over to the OSU, and there's all kinds of information there. Yeah. Jan, thanks so much. We'll see you next month.
All righty.